Hi, Rob Montgomery here at the Smart Film School. I just wanted to butt in here real quick and let you know when we talk about mobile filmmaking, primarily we're talking about iPhone and Android devices being used to film. And obviously with Filmic Pro, we can use both of those. But when it comes to LumaFusion with video editing, in my experience, it can also eat footage from GoPro cameras, whether it's the latest GoPro model, or maybe you just want to have some audio come in from an older model of GoPro that you're using a professional Sennheiser waterproof microphone, because that way you can get in those great underwater audio shots. You just import it as a piece of video and you can bring it into LumaFusion. So there's a lot of creativity here. You can film in anamorphic with a Beast Grip Pro or with a helium core cage and bring that footage into LumaFusion. If you want to have a DSLR and you want to bring that footage into LumaFusion, you can do that as well. This is a mirrorless camera, by the way, but this lens is from 1986. I bought it for my Nikon F3 when I was a photojournalist working for the Associated Press and student publications in Illinois. Or if you've got an Osmo with a chip that records video, you can bring that into LumaFusion as well. So the whole point about mobile filmmaking is like it's whatever gear will fit into your backpack or your bicycle bag when you're going out and making adventures or doing some DIY guerrilla style filmmaking. You can bring all that footage into LumaFusion and get great results. I think you'll see that as we move through the course.